Do I have anyone out there who enjoys fishing like I do? Great, fantastic, love it. But for those of you who don't, just listen. The purpose of weights on a fishing line is to send the hook deeper into the water. The purpose of the bobbin is to signal you when you get that bite. But you also are able to distinguish where that fishing line is, because it's the smaller fish who feed on the top and the larger fish we know are deeper into the water. The federal government is the big fish, and we're going to have to go deep. Consequently, it's more work. Bigger rod, heavier line, deeper water, a boat if you can get it. But if you're willing to do all that for a sport, just to be fed for 1 or maybe 2 days, put in the work also to your profile, aka federal resume, because with both fishing and applying for work with the federal government, the goal is to get that bite, get your foot in the door, not only for one meal, but for a lifetime. Isn't that what it's all about? Work Wednesday is not just about what Lisa does for you. It's also about what you do for you. The videos will be jammed with information, not only from the beginning, but all the way to the end, and intended for you to watch. Pause, write it down, rinse and repeat. Some terms I will read directly, while others will only be seen on the slide. Take the time to read it and write it down. That's what Work Wednesday is about. Gearing up and doing the work to get the big fish. I need a fishing rod here. We're gearing up and doing the work to get the big fish, which are key words, knowledge, skills, and abilities, and 5,000 characters. While Wednesday may have traditionally been for you the day you turn the corner or jump the hump with the small fish, itty bitty fish, we're going to be baiting our hook come Wednesday, right here at Easy Federal Resume. And I hope to see you then.